2, how to make friends with a nerd. Hey, what are you doing? What's that? What game you playing? Oh, Wii Fit? Oh, you have that? Cool. Sure, I'll see your new game. Here's George.
Show it to the camera.
The movie about the monkey? So, you actually play that game? Is it fun? What's that? Nintendo DS? Oh, my favorite show's on. Cool. Good job, Scoodle. Football, okay. What was with that throw? Fine, here you go. Oh. Whoa. Have you even seen the show? Have you even seen it?
No. Is it over now? No. And it's